In this video, we will build a simple Spring Boot application that integrates AI using Spring AI. We will start from a simple project and end with a working API that calls the OpenAI model. This is a hands-on demo using the latest Spring AI version. This is the entire flow. The REST API receives a prompt, Spring AI talks to the model, and we return the response. Let's start by creating a new project. In IntelliJ IDE, choose new project, give it a name, choose Java version. I'm using Gradle as a build tool. Click Next. From the components, choose Lombok, Spring Boot DevTools, Spring Web, and in the bottom, under AI section, choose OpenAI. Spring AI supports multiple AI models. For this demo, we will use OpenAI. And click on Create. Let's quickly review the build Gradle file. We are using the latest Spring AI version 1.1.2 and we are using the OpenAI starter model. Since we are using OpenAI as our LLM model, let's configure the OpenAI API key in our application properties. It's called spring.ai.openai.api key. The API key is coming from the environment variable. This is the best practice. Let's create the packages that we need. First, we need the config, service, and the controller. Let's start by creating our config class. We will call it as AI config. Spring AI gives us the model beans for each of the AI providers. In our case, we are using OpenAI. By using OpenAI chat model, we are building a chat client. This chat client is what we will inject into our service layer. Let's create a service class. We will call it as AI service. Make this a public class. And we inject the chat client. Let's define a simple service method called ask. This takes in the prompt that user sends and invokes the AI. We pass the user prompt and make the API call and retrieve the content. Spring AI provides a fluent API which keeps the code very readable. We are sending the user prompt and simply return the response content. Now let's create the controller. AI controller. Let's inject the service and add the constructor. We are defining an endpoint called ask, which takes in a request parameter called prompt. This method delegates the call to our AI service and returns the response. Let's start the application. Let's start with a simple prompt, just allow. This confirms the AI integration. Let's try a different prompt. Explain Spring AI in one simple sentence. And we get the response. Now let's try something more back-end focused. We are asking give a short example of how Spring AI fits into Spring Boot application. This is a more technical question and we get the response along with some code snippets. In just a few minutes, we built a fully working AI-powered backend API using Spring AI. This setup is small, clean, and developer friendly as a starting point. If you want a structured, in-depth guide to Spring AI, I have covered it in a full Udemy course. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.